Good morning, LinkedIn support. This is the problem I'm having. This is Wednesday, July 20th. It's 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And this is the problem I've been having for a little over a week now, and it's really causing problems. Fortunately, I've cleaned up all my invitations, so it's less of a problem, but it's still a problem. Here's what I mean. My process is very deliberate. If someone sends me an invite and I don't know why I want to connect with them, I send them a message. If they don't respond in a week, I send them another message, and I invite them to follow me. But look what happens. I don't know what I've done. This box comes up, it's empty. Every single one of these, a box comes up and it's empty. There's no sign of any message. But I know for a fact with Matt Jones, I've sent him a message. And I cannot determine what kind of message I sent them because it doesn't show up. So now what I have to do is go to message. I have to type in JOVAN. I got to find the message I sent to him. And then I can make a decision about what my next message is. But here's what happens. It's even uglier than that. So I go to the next one and I can't find the message. So I got to go up here and type in AUNSHA. And sometimes it comes up. Sometimes it doesn't. And it really makes it. And look, there's a message there, but it didn't bring it up. I have to hit the X, go over here, AUNSHA. And look, it's not coming up. So now I've got to refresh. It's really problematic. It's making the process 4 or 5 times longer than it needs to be. So I'm not even going to click on that. I got to go over here and click search, ANUSHA. And there's a message I sent to her, and there it is. But again, once I deal with this one, I go to the next one. I go to reply. There's no message. I got to go over here and look for him. There it is. Sometimes it brings it up when I click on it. Sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, my point is this. I really would like to have back the opportunity to click on this and bring up the previous message. Please help. Thank you.